Hello, my creatives. Today I'm decorating my coffee station for Christmas. Now I'm using things I already had in store, and I add a couple of things to it that'll bring out the copper in you, girl. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this video together. I did purchase these 3 containers here from the Dollar Tree. They're the iridescent glass containers with a copper lid. Those were the only thing on here that I purchased new for this particular collaboration. Now the container at the back, you'll know more as we go on.
I've got
Now I added a cocoa station this year. Now the larger cabinet at the back, I've had there for a while, and in it I put the dark chocolate, and in the front there I put the marshmallow ones in the front in the small drawer with the peppermints and the chocolate spoons from the Dollar Tree. Now there's a couple of things that I really want to put in there to give myself that extra coffee station. Now I was looking for copper coffee cups, and then I remembered that I had some with the porcelain insert. So those are what I'm hanging on the copper tree. Now the copper tree, as you know, came from Amazon a few years ago. And the cake stand that the bigger container at the back is on, that came from Amazon a few years ago. If you remember, that used to be at my sink where I kept the hand soap and the dish soap on, and I moved it to here to relocate it at the coffee station. Now I have this Keurig here, and those of you who know me, I only use the cocoa and tea in the Keurig. I hate to put coffee in it because I do not like the taste of coffee in my tea. Now I did add this little hot coffee sign here, but you'll see it'll get moved because this is the cocoa station over here on this side of this coffee station. Now this coffee mug, it looks like a sweater with the red button, and I thought it was really cute. You see the sweater look on it. These are from my husband's mom, my mother-in-law. She gave it to us years ago. And next to the Keurig, I have my shaker of cinnamon. Now I do put cinnamon in my cocoa and in the morning. So cinnamon, if you know the cinnamon trick for diabetes, you'll understand. Now this little beautiful tree plate here, I thrifted this years ago, guys. I've had this thing for at least 7-8 years and I've never used it. So I thought it would be good to put it here at this station, so like a spoon rest when you make your hot chocolate. Now I have my old standbys as usual, the copper containers that I use for my creamer, sugar, and coffee. And then this coffee maker here is only for coffee. It's only uses coffee here because I don't like that coffee taste in anything else. Now the marble stands, I got the marble stand in the middle. That tray came from Amazon with the copper handles. And then I did move the hot coffee sign over to the coffee side of my coffee station, and I added another sweater mug. Now you know I had to add my girl back with her red and white, and that big pop of red on the side because my colors this year are red, white, black. So I thought my girl needed a little punch, right? Right. So I think overall my coffee station is simple, but I did add more bits of copper because you know your girl is a copper girl. Now I'm going to give you an overall look of the station. I think it came out really cute with the added pops of copper, and then I did add the red and white mugs. Now as you remember, each coffee machine or tea machine is sitting on a marble and wood tray. One tray was purchased at, what was the name of the store before it closed? The 99 cents only store. And then the other one I ordered off of Amazon because when I went back to get another circle one, they had no more in the store. So I think it all came out rather nice with my touches of copper and my touches of Christmas, which are the pops of red and white in this display. But I do have my coffee and cocoa station. I am looking for a sign that says cocoa. I want one that says hot coffee, tea, and cocoa. So I'm looking for those as well. But if you see any, let your girl know. I would love to find a sign that says coffee, tea, and cocoa stations. Of course, you know it has to be something I can paint copper, right? But I think overall it came out really cute this year with the added touches of copper, I must add. Let your girl know what you think of her Christmas coffee station for this year. I'm really pleased with it. The iridescent jars with the copper lids was on point for me. Now I'm really happy how everything looks. The big container at the back is copper and has a marble top on it. That top is really heavy. And I think my husband, when he does come home and see this station, I think he would really be pleased with the hot cocoa station, because we do like to drink hot cocoa on times and sit in front of the fireplace. And I do have whipped cream in the refrigerator just for that purpose. So let me know what you think of my coffee and cocoa station for Christmas down below. You know I love reading your comments. And of course, I'll see you in the next episode.